Hey dolls, my name is Leah and welcome back to my channel. Surprise, surprise, I have ultraviolet purple hair. It's been 2 months since I did a video, and within those 2 months I've bleached my own hair during quarantine, and I've done pink hair. I've done magenta hair because pink, the pastel, was not working, and then the magenta hair was just not working for me, and I was like, you know what, let me go back to my quote-unquote roots. But anyways, today's video I'm gonna show you what I bought from Ulta. This is a collective haul. Some things are already used, some things are open, some things I don't have in the bag because either they're somewhere in the room, but I'll put a picture on the screen or I'll like mention the product and put a link down below. So the first item we have here is Jaclyn Hill from Morphe's their collection with Jaclyn Hill. It's the Face Master brush collection. I actually went into the store and eyeing up this bag. Like, look at this. This is me as a bag. Oh my gosh, it is pretty. So this is actually the first time opening it. I don't know what actually is in here. So the first thing, it looks like a foundation brush. Anyway, so this is the brush. This is the JH03. A lot of them just say JH because of Jaclyn Hill, so I'm just going to say the number, 03. This is the 03 brush. Looks like that. The other one, this one looks like a big powder brush. This is the 02 brush. And this is the 9 brush. Probably I would conceal under my eyes for that. This looks like a cheek color brush. This is this number 6. So it's an angled brush. Perfect to get that soft look when you do your blush, so it's not a harsh line. And this one looks like another powder brush. This is the number 7 brush. Just like that. So the next thing I got, which was standing right there, was the Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually already opened it up and like tested 1 or 2 colors, but because of my new hair I decided to embrace the color. I've done some pink, like, you know, pink eyeshadow before, but I'm really nervous to try like other colors than pink, purple, and blue, and brown, and white. That's like the only thing in my color palette. So this is the volume 2. This is what it looks like. And then you open it up. Look at that. These colors are truly gorgeous, and the saturation looks like it's up on my camera, but the only way to truly test the colors out is go to Ulta and try them out. They're probably on display right now, but the colors that I'm excited to use, obviously purples and the pinks. I almost want to try an orange out. I wonder how that would look. Red doesn't look good with purple in my opinion. Truly, this product, truly, the unicorn fruit whipped body butter has been sold out for so long. Oh my gosh, as I literally kick my camera. Okay, this thing, if you get your hands on it if you can, because number 1, it smells amazing and it looks amazing. Like, look at that. That is literally unicorn poop. I love this shit. It's like literally like the best. It's basically it's just like it's a body butter, and if you don't use too much, they say, because it will make your skin greasy, so a little goes a long way, hence why they give you a little bit. It smells like cotton candy basically. So I'm kind of just going random. I'm taking things out of the bag. I wanted to try Lime Crime. This is the highlighter palette. This is the highlights in this is the colors Halo, Heavenly, 24/7, and Celestial. I got Dermalogica skincare by because I'm a hairstylist, so I actually could get in, you know, Salon Centric, Cosmoprof, all those like professional beauty stores So I bought my entire, skincare set by them, but I am actually missing like exfoliators because I do have dry skin. So I do need an exfoliant to take off some dead skin and all that stuff. So I got the Ordinary. This is like a really good brand that is a little cheaper and it works really good. The next thing I got was another skincare, but I don't have the product on me because it's packed away. I went to the beach. It's the Ordinary again, surprise, surprise, and it's the vitamin C suspension. Basically, this is to target uneven skin, tone, and signs of aging. Even though I'm 22, I'm not gonna age for another couple of years. Yay! For the next skincare product I was also looking for a clay mask just to put in really oily areas such as my chin. I noticed a lot of clogged pores there, my nose, in the T-zone as well, and that's about it. Peach and Lily is a really great brand. It is a little expensive, so be careful on that. This is the pore proof perfecting clay mask to unclog and purify. Okay, so It Cosmetics is actually a really great brand of brushes. I love them. That's what we get to use on our clients when we also do makeup. So I've also personally always used the foundation brush. This is for like liquid or even powder and cream foundations. So it's a perfect buffing brush because it's so compact that you could just like buff out any lines, because when you use the ones that are like feathery, you get really like weird lines on your face. So this is perfect to just make you look like a perfect Barbie doll. I did get some random things. So before I went on my trip, I wanted to get a flat iron heat protectant little travel one, because I have some heat proof silicone mats that like I could put my curling iron and my flat iron on that won't burn. So I wanted to get one that I could store away. And I also got a traveling pack, and as you could see, I used this for my shampoo, conditioner. I actually used like a pink one because I had pink hair, and every time I would wash it would just fade out. I spent hundreds of dollars on like so much product, like diluters, conditioners, and pink hair dye. Let me tell you, it was a pain in the butt, but it didn't go to waste because I had fun with it, you know. That's what I look at it. And I also got body wash, and in here is actually one of the body washes I purchased. It's from, oh gosh, I completely forget, but this is the product. It's called Coconut Splash. That's the flavor or smell. Geez. And on one of these is actually, you could customize it, but they don't stay. So I always recommend sharpieing the top like an S or a C or whatever, so you don't get mixed up with whatever you're putting on your body. So what I bought was also the full size of the Urban Decay. This is an eyeliner. This is in the color Viper. As you can tell, I love my purples, so I would probably put this like underneath the eye. I should have done that for this video. Dang it. Anyways, the next product I got was Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. I've seen a lot of these all over the internet. I'm obsessed with glitter. This is probably like a little too, I guess, shiny for me. So I'd probably just wear this as a lip gloss as a topper. And then this one is, so this one's like a hot pink magenta with orangey undertones. This one's like an icy blue ultraviolet light one. This is like if you just want a little highlight on the tops of your lips. And I did get MAC lipsticks. I've never owned MAC. I remember the first time I ever entered into an Ulta, I went with my best friend, and I remember I was like asking her mom, is there MAC here? And she thought I was talking about like an ATM, like a MAC machine. So I asked the Ulta employee, and she's like, no, there's an ATM down there. And I'm like, no, like MAC, M-A-C, makeup brand. So this is actually the first time I'm holding something that is MAC related. And of course it's pink. This is Saint Germain. This is what pink sparkles actually use in all of our videos. So online this color looked a lot different, but I don't know if I want to wear it now because it's like a brownie nude with a, it said a bluish purple undertone, but like this, it's like this is more of like a fall color if anything, and it's like I don't want to really wear it. Lime Crime has these velvet, soft velvet stay matte or matte lipsticks, and this one is very liquidy, and this one, you know, then again I thought this was like gonna be a violety purple. It is, but on my lips it looks a lot darker, and it smells good. It smells like cupcakes. And then this one's Plushies by Lime Crime. This one's in Lavender Honey. The other one was in Trinity. This one is in Lavender Honey right there, so I'll probably wear this a lot. Then I got 3 butter glosses from NYX in the colors Meringue, Eclair, and Vanilla Cream Pie. I love all these colors. Okay, so the NYX butter glosses. This one is Meringue. This has like a purpley pink. See right there. That is Meringue. Eclair is more of a mauve pink. Still a baby pink. Very subtle. This one is Vanilla Cream Pie. It has a little bit of a warm undertint. I don't think I haven't tried this on. This is more of a, has like an orange warm background undertint color, if you know what I mean. So the next thing from Lime Crime is this Diamond Dew. It is, I believe it's like an eyeshadow, but I don't think I got the right color. See how that, it is like a pink. It's more like a rose gold. I thought it would be a different color. So then I got the It Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot. I got in the color Light. I'm actually wearing it now. I don't know if you guys could tell. All my under eye blue colors are gone. It's very high pigmented. I did want to also mention I did buy the Impressions huge mirror. It's a Bluetooth mirror. I did buy one of their handheld ones that can come out of the charger. It was very tiny. I like to have a big mirror to see myself and also just get up close. So I needed a better mirror, so I found this one and it is amazing. The next thing was literally me in a palette. Like, look at this. Yes. So this is the Naked Ultraviolet palette. I found this just a few days ago, and basically on the back it says we're supercharged, or our supercharged lineup of 12 intensely pigmented mattes, metallics, and holographic shimmers. It's a lucid dream come to life. So that's what I was excited for. They have the colors, they show them all down here. I'm definitely more like those on the left side. These are definitely like my daytime colors because sometimes there's just days when I don't want to dress up or really do anything. They comes with a brush, a compacted side, and a fluffy blending brush. I did buy the cheese straightener, the Barbie collection straightener, and the Silk Infusion little oil. I love the bottles, I love the color, I love everything about the straightener. It's amazing. It's digital temperature adjustment, so you could change the temperature with colored hair. You really want to stay low because I even do like 350, sometimes 360 if I want to get like just one pass and be done with it. And yeah, so that is all. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on social media. I have a link down below. All right, dolls, I hope you have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah.